hello, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math, right? In this video, we are going to do the revision for the Calculus 1, right? The first module and the second part of 3 chapters from the second module we are going to revise. So let's start the revision, okay? Right. The first question is, find the limit x tends to 0, x plus 5 sine 3x over x. So we already know the rule, limit x tends to 0, sine x divided by x is equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0, x divided by sine x is also equal to 1. Just imagine this is the angle, the same should be on the down, okay? And this is the angle, the same should be on the numerator, okay? If it is like this and the limit x tends to 0 equal to 1. So let me give you one example. Limit x tends to 0, okay, sine 3x, okay, over by 3x. If it is like this, we can write it as equal to 1. Why? Because the angle over here is 3x and the same 3x is the down. If it is not there, we need to adjust so that the value will not be changed at the same time, and to get the answer 1. Keep in your mind, okay? So let's go to the question. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x goes to 0, x plus 5 sine 3x over x. So what I'm going to do, limit x goes to 0. I'm writing, if you have something 5 plus 4 divided by 10, we can write as 5 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So I'm going to write x divided by x plus 5 sine 3x over x. Okay. X gets cancelled. So limit x goes to 0, 1 or 0. It's 1, okay, plus, and this is 5, okay, sine 3x over x. Limit x is going to 0 for this also, right? What is your angle here? Your angle is 3x. Is it 3x is on the down? No. So what we need to do, we need to adjust 3 here, multiply, at the same time 3 divide, okay? Suppose you have 1 by x. If I put 3 here, if I put 3 here, cancel, cancel. The value is not changed, right? Same value. So that's why I'm multiplying by 3 and I'm dividing by 3. Okay, right. So now what happens? Limit x goes to 0, right? 1 plus, okay, 5, and then multiply by, I'll put a bracket here, and then 3 bracket here, sine 3x over 3x, right? So when limit x goes to 0, sine 3x divided by 3x is what? The angle part, the same numerical part here, okay? So the value is equal to what? This is equal to 1, right? Yes. So therefore, here there is no x, here there is no x. So 1 plus 5 times 15, so which is equal to how much? 16 is your answer, okay? Sorry. 16 is your answer. Clear? Just we are adjusting this 3 and this 3 to get the value of the limit. Let's go to the next question, right? Limit x goes to 0, 3x plus 4 sine 2x over x, right? Same rule, remember, limit x goes to 0, sine angle x by the same x is equal to 1. Limit x goes to 0, sine angle 2x divided by 2x. If it is like this, we can write it as 1. Keep in your mind. Okay. Right. Let's start the question. Limit x goes to 0. 3x plus 4 sine 2x over x. Same thing. 5 plus 5 divided by 10. I'm writing 5 by 10 plus 5 by 10. Okay. Right. So limit x goes to 0. 3x by x plus 4 sine 2x by x. X gets cancelled. So limit x goes to 0. Limit x goes to 0. 3 plus, okay. Here you see here, there is an angle 2x. Is there a 2x in the down? No. So what we need to do? We need to multiply by 2 and at the same time you need to divide by 2. Okay, right. So what happens when the limit x goes to 0? Sine 2x over 2x when the limit x goes to 0. So the value is equal to what? 1. Okay. So 4 times 2 multiply 2 here and 4 here. Okay. So therefore limit x goes to 0 is gone. So now we are going to find out the value of this. So this equals 3 plus 8. So which is going to become what? 11. So the main idea is you need to bring this angle in the same value down. Keep in your mind. This is the main logic we have to do it. Right, let's go to the next question, right? The next question is limit x goes to 0 sine bx. Sine bx, angle is bx divided by ax. Okay, so again I'll recollect the rule. The rule is limit x goes to 0 sine bx by bx. If you have this, then the angle is equal, the value is equal to 1. Okay, so we need to bring this one. Is it the bx is here? Look here, bx here, bx here. No. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write limit x goes to 0 sine bx. Let me write this a little bit away, okay, and then I write x here. Actually in this place I want bx. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put b here and I'm going to put b here so that the value is not changed. Cut, same answer. Okay, right. So limit x goes to 0 b divided by a sine bx, sine bx, okay, divided by bx. When limit x goes to 0, what is the value of sine bx divided by bx? Is equal to what? 1. So what's your answer? B divided by a is your answer. Got it? Okay. So let's go to the next question. If f of x equals 3x square minus 4 or plus 4 and x square minus x. What is the question? Find the derivative of x. Find f dash of x. Derivative with respect to x, Right, so we are going to make this as u and this is your u. Because this comes under which rule? Product rule. Okay, right. So u is equal to 3x square plus 4. And v is equal to x square minus x. So now we are going to take u dash derivative, v dash derivative. 2 comes here, 3, 2, x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus any number derivative I said 0. So this equals 3 into 2 is 6, x to the power of 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So which is equal to 6x u dash. And this is your u. Right. Let's go for v dash. 2 comes here, 2x power 2 minus 1. 1 is here, 1 comes here, x power 1 minus 1. So this equals 2x power 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus x to the power of 0. Alright. So this equals 2x minus 1. So this is your v dash or v prime. So this is your u, this is your v, and this is your u dash, and this is your v dash. What is your rule? u v dash plus v u dash. Okay. What is u? 3x square plus 4. What is your v dash? 2x minus 1. And what is your v, which is x square minus x? What is your u dash? 6x. So now we are going to multiply. Slowly multiply this one. Okay, right. How many derivatives they are asking? They are asking only one derivative, f dash of x. Okay, right. 3x square multiply by this. 3 into 2 is 6, x power 3. Okay, right. And this multiply this, minus 3x square. This multiply this, plus 8x. This multiply this, minus 4. Plus this multiply this, 6x cube. Okay, right. Then this multiply this, minus 6x square. Again I'll repeat. 3x square times 2x. So 3 into 2 is 6. x square x cube. 3 into 1 is 3, x square into 1 is x square. 4 into 2 is 8x, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. X square into this is 6x cube minus 6x square, x power 2. So if you have like terms, just compare 6x cube, 6x cube. So which is 12x cube, right? Minus 3x square minus 6x square. So minus 9x square. Okay, right. Then after that only one x is there, 8x. Then the number is 4. So this is your first derivative. How many derivatives they asked? Only one derivative, f dash of x, right? So 3x square plus 4 and then minus multiply by x square minus 8. Let's go to the next one. Again, I'll explain because this product rule, most of you get confused. Oh, sorry, I made a question is x power 4 and I took it as x square. So let me change this question as x square, okay? Right, sorry. So I took it as x square. The question is 3x square plus 4 x square minus x. I changed the question as x square, okay? Right, good, no problem. Before I gave the question is x power 4, now we'll take it as x square, right? Let's go to the next question. Find dy by dx for this one, right? So this is of the model u by v. What is the rule? The rule is, what is the rule? Do you remember the quotient rule? Okay. The rule is v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. So let's start. U is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay. V is equal to x square minus 1. Now u dash 3x power 2 plus 0. V dash 2x minus 0. How? X cube, take this one, 3x, 3 minus 1, which is 3x square. X square, take this 2 here, 2x, 2 minus 1. So 2x. This is the one here and this is the one here. So u v dash is ready, right? Now we are going for what? The rule. So the rule is v square v u dash minus u v dash. So this equals v square. What is your v? X square minus 1 the whole square. V is x square minus 1. U dash, this one, 3x square minus u, x cube plus 2. What is your v dash? 2x. Now slowly multiply the numerator. X square into this, which is equal to 3x power 4 minus this into this, 3x square, and then this one, x cube into this 2x is 2x power 4, okay, and 2 into 2 is plus 4x. All these things inside the bracket with minus. So what you will get? You will get minus 2x power 4 minus 4x. Okay, right. This divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. Right. Now this is equal to 3x power 4, same term, 2x power 4, same term, 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So x power 4. This has no family, so just write it as it is, minus 3x square. This has no family, so just write it minus 4x. So divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So this is your dy by dx, or you can call it as f dash. So this is using quotient rule. Next question, find the first 3 derivatives they are asking. How many derivatives? 3. So f of x is equal to 4x cube plus 7x plus 2. So first derivative f dash of x. First derivative. So bring this one here. 4, 3, x power 3 minus 1 plus 7, here is 1, 1 x power 1 minus 1. I told you number derivative is 0. So this equals 12 x power 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 x power 0 plus 0. So this equals 12 x square plus 7. This is your first derivative. What is your second derivative? 12 here. I'll change the color. F second derivative. F double dash is equal to 12 is here. 2 comes down, x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus number derivative is 0. So f double dash is equal to 12 into 2, 24, x to the power of 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So f double dash is equal to 24x. What is your f? 3 dash. Okay, triple dash. First 3 derivatives. So 24x gives what? 24. Clear? How? 24x power is 1. So 24, 1, x power 1 minus 1. So 24 x power 0, which is equal to 24. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next one. Find the first two derivatives. Okay. Two derivatives they are asking. So f of x is equal to x power 5 plus 4x power 3. So I'll write this in a good format because its cube root is the square root is there 4. You know that everybody's square root is power 1 by 2. And the cube root is what? Power 1 by 3, right? And if the number is 4 inside, it will be power 1 by 4, right? So all these things you studied in prep year or in the school, right? So this one I can write it as how? As x cube to the power of 1 by 2. Because it belongs to this one, square root. Because there is no number here. If there is a number, you have to put it this one. So this equals, what can I do this one? F of x equals x power 5 plus 4x to the power of x cube to the power of 5. What is your answer? X power 15. You are multiplying. X square to the power of 2. 2 multiply 2. So x power 4. So this is 3 multiply 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So let's go for the first derivative. F dash of x. How many derivatives they are asking? 2 derivatives. How many derivatives? 2 derivatives. So let's go for first derivative. 5 will come here. X power 5 minus 1. 4 is here. 3 by 2 will come here. Right? X to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. So which is equal to 5x power. 5 minus 1 is 4. Plus this 2 gets cancelled with this 4 2. So 2 multiply 3 is 6. X to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. You can put in the calculator or you can do it like this. 3 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 1 by 2. So which is 1 by 2. So this is your first derivative. Let's go for second derivative. F double dash of x. 5 here. Take it the 4 here. X to the power of 4 minus 1 plus 6 here. Take this half here. X to the power of half minus 1. Okay. Right. So now we need to simplify. This equals 20. X to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. Plus 6. 2 gets cancelled with this 6. So 3 x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. You can put in the calculator 1 minus 2 divided by 2. 1 minus 2 is what? It which is minus 1 by 2. So this is your second derivative of x. Clear? Right. So let's go to the next question. Find the first two derivatives. Find the first two derivatives. So f of x is equal to first two derivatives. F of x is equal to, right, 3x power 4 plus 5x square plus 7x. Okay. Now we are going to start f of x. This is in another color. So write f of x. So now f dash of x, which is equal to 3. 4 comes down. X to the power of 4 minus 1. 5. 2 comes down. X to the power of 2 minus 1 plus. Here is 1. 7. 1 comes down. X to the power of 1 minus 1. Everything I'm using the formula nx to the power of n minus 1. So which is equal to 12. X to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 times 2 is 10. X to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. 7. X to the power of 0. So this equals 12 x to the power of 3 plus 10x plus 7. Because x to the power of 0 is what? 1. X to the power of 1 is what? X. So this is your f dash of x. Let's go with f double dash of x, which is second derivative. 12 is here. 3 comes down. Okay. X to the power of 3 minus 1. 10 is here. 1 comes down. X to the power of 1 minus 1. And the number term is 0, I said. So this equals 12 into 3 is 36. X to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. Right. And then plus 10. X to the power of 1 minus 1 is what? 0 plus 0. Right. So this equals x to the power of 0 is what? 1. So what happens now? Which is equal to 36x square plus 10. This is your f double dash of x. Okay. So you should be very familiar with the derivative because too many questions we did on derivative. So directly people will write in this age because you already studied in the school, right? So directly you can write with this 3x power 4, which is 12x cube plus 10x. The next answer will be 12 into 3 is how much? 36x square plus 10. You can write directly if you are very familiar. But now you are in the learning stage. No problem. Put -1 -1 and then come bring it down and then up -1. Like that. No problem. Okay. So I think this is the maximum questions. So just I gave you some questions for revision. So please practice it and work hard. Again I'm telling, please open the iPad, divide the screen into 2 equal parts. One side my video will be going, another side you keep writing. So after you finish writing, what you should do, close the video and close your things and then start studying. After studying, close everything, write a piece of paper or in the iPad open a new note and then everything you solve without seeing your solution. So once you finished your solution, open your iPad, open the video and start correcting the solutions. If all the solutions are correct, then you are comfortable to write the quiz or midterm or final exams. Okay, right. So please work hard. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.